Okay, go.
Here is Abby in her NCIS uniform. And now we're going to put her on the turntable so you can see all of her outfit. She's really ready for this fashion show.